998 square feet. And I think they said they wanted $25,000 for this. Alright, so this is entrance outside. Portabella.
What's up, boss?
Hey, how are you, sir?
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh. I feel underdressed.
It's hot today.
It is ridiculously hot out today.
I'm always happy to show, and it's all good.
I'm glad I don't have...
We can walk over to 1265 also and take a look, because you can divide it in half. And we said maybe you would take the 6th Avenue side. Just show it to you. It's only $5 away.
Alright.
If you want.
So they have a drop ceiling installed.
We got
Let's see.
basement down
There is...
here.
Alright, let's take a look at the basement. See what we got down here.
Yeah, good ceiling. Everything's cool.
Yeah, okay.
Right? Tower room.
Alright.
Bathroom down here.
Yes, basement. Bathroom. Alright. Oh, sewing machine.
It's a strange configuration, but it is what it is, you know?
Yeah, it's storage, you know. It's a basement. I don't
Yeah,
expect
yeah.
much from a basement.
Exactly. This isn't bad for a basement.
Yeah, let's get over the look upstairs again. Basement. Let's see. How much stuff can I fit in here?
So let me ask you a question.
Sure.
Um,
And the suits make it interesting to measure. Do a little Bosch this. Locksmith. Let's see. $998 square feet. And I think they said they wanted $25,000 for this. Now, granted, I did measure from the suit rather from the wall over here. And here I did measure from the suit instead of the wall all the way. So you could add maybe 200 or 300 square feet. But even if we say that this is not 1,000 square feet, even if we were to say that this is 1,500 square feet, they want $25,000 for this. So this is pretty much $25K in New York City. Yeah, I gave the guy some information on the type of business that I had, and he was really happy to show it to me. It's me, underdressed. What do you guys think? You think the market correction's coming in? Huh. This is also with the fisheye lens of the camera.
that elevator is shut off, right? Yeah.
Alright, I got what I needed to see. That's my bike over there. You can see there's more foot traffic now than there was before, which is a nice thing. But at the end of the day, I don't know, you guys let me know in chat. Maybe I'm being a little stingy. I probably made a very conservative measurement because I didn't include 1 or 2 feet in the front and 2 feet to the wall. What do you think? 25K fair? So what are they leaving for?
You're on a month-to-month, right? We have the store. You've been marketing the store. We just want the right tenant.
Alright, but like, why are they moving out?
Because they're a month-to-month.
Oh.
They're not paying full rent, and they're a friend of
Oh, I hear you. Very interesting.
And he's been around for
So like friends of the family kind
This
of?
store was very big on 42nd Street, where Chick-fil-A is now.
So that was interesting. I asked, why are they leaving? And he said, you know, well, they're month to month. And it's like, I mean, yeah, everybody's month to month. It's called paying your rent in the end of the month. So like, why are they actually leaving? And he, you know, politely, and he said, oh, you know, they're not paying the full rent. And it's like, of course they're not. Of course they're not. No one can afford to pay $25,000 for 1,000 square feet in a recession. No one can afford to pay that much even in a top economy. That's why everything is constantly closing here. So this is my store. Just to give you a reference, this is $12,500 a month. My office really, really needs work, but it is what it is. And then you got the rest of the place. So this is kind of like e-waste and junk that we have to organize. Ultrasonic area, break room, parts, gym where Orhan skips leg day, data recovery section, the board repair section, another board repair section, shipping section, reassembly section, customer intake section. And this space right here is less than, actually, yeah, it's exactly half of what they want for that closet. And I know it's real because I can walk through it, I can step through it. So and this space that I have here is blocks away from that. I don't know. By the way, I gotta figure out a way to sabotage Erica because that cannot be in my office. Anyway, so that's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something.